Detroit's Skyline is a striking blend of history, innovation, and artistry. Let's start with the Guardian Building, a 40-story Art Deco masterpiece from the 1920s, known for its stunning interior mosaics and Native American motifs, giving it the nickname Cathedral of Finance. The Fisher Building is another gem, with its bold limestone and marble facade, intricate brass details, and theater spaces inside. Then there's the David Whitney Building, recently restored to showcase its original early 20th century Beaux-Arts design, with marble columns and an atrium that floods the space with natural light. From historic structures to modern skyscrapers, Detroit's architecture reflects the resilience and creativity of a city continuously reinventing itself, adding an unmistakable character to its urban landscape. Not far away, the Renaissance Center towers dominate the skyline along the Detroit River, housing shops, offices, and a panoramic view of Canada.